the North Kaibab Trail, where it cuts through the red wall limestone. This is looking down Roaring Springs Canyon. This part of the trail does follow the Roaring Springs Fault, as do most trails in the canyon, because the fault creates a natural break in the rocks, which trail makers can take advantage of. This part of the trail was actually blasted out of solid rock, which makes it very dramatic. We're looking at the red wall limestone right in here. It is very polished, very fluted, lovely pinnacles. A number of trees that would normally be growing up on the rim, but it's cooler and damper here, and so they have a microenvironment they can survive in. In the spring, you do see flowers in bloom, including the Utah agave. Native Americans would harvest the base of that agave, which is very rich in sugar, and then roast it in large roasting pits. This part of the trail is called the Eye of the Needle because it's so narrow and so exposed, and there used to be a little arch there that actually made an eye. People with problems with heights sometimes are a little nervous here, but the trail is still quite wide and very well groomed, and if one takes a certain amount of care, there's not too much to be afraid of. A little bit of shade here, about the last shade before you reach the picnic area at Roaring Springs, about a mile from here.